family, joy, love, and cheer. These are just a few of the many words that make us think of Christmas. It's Christmas at Raxio Data Center, and we couldn't have thought of a better way to celebrate than by remembering what Christmas truly means to each one of us. What does Christmas mean to you? Well, here is what Christmas means to us at Raxio Data Center.
Christmas is a blast.
To me, Christmas is just a big birthday party. And as a Christian, it's important for us to celebrate this day because it's the day we remember the birth of Jesus Christ, which is the greatest gift to all humanity. Give.
Christmas to me is family.
To me, Christmas is jubileo.
Trying to celebrate.
For me, it means eating food and celebrating.
Christmas is the birth of Jesus Christ.
What unique and wonderful reflections of Christmas. Here is a message from Raxio Data Center's General Manager, James Byaruhanga.
Hi, my name is James Byaruhanga. I'm the General Manager for Raxio Data Center, Uganda. We are Tier 3 data center in Uganda, the only one in Uganda. We're located in Namamba Industrial Park. So Raxio Data Center, as you know or might not know, we provide co-location services, especially for disaster recovery, or even if you want it to be your primary site. The idea about co-location is for you to be able to bring your equipment to our data center so that we can co-host it for you, and then you can have a more stable service that will allow for business continuity. So the idea around Raxio Data Center is that we've come into the economy of Uganda to be the heartbeat or the center of the ecosystem that surrounds the internet, surrounds the digital revolution, and basically be able to provide a service that is going to literally leapfrog the internet industry as well as the digital industry. We would like to encourage you to consider working with us because we provide 99.9 uptime, and we make sure that we allow you to sleep well at night. A time like this, a time for Christmas, the time you should relax, and we think that Raxio Data Center, being a service provider for you, will allow you to sleep better at night and allow you to travel and be with your loved ones without having any downtime. So once again, I'd like to thank you for trusting our brand and trusting our service that we deliver. And for you who have not visited us, take some time, come visit us and see what we built here. But otherwise, it's time for enjoyment and we should be having a good time. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and also Happy New Year. 2022 is just around the corner.
I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy 2022.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone out there.
I would like to wish all our clients Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas to you all, and I wish you a Happy New Year.
Tubagaliza sekukulu essanyu n'omwaka omujja gubabeererwa mirembe.
Merry Christmas and a ho ho ho.
The team at Raxio Data Center wishes you a Merry Christmas.